What's up YouTube, it's your boy once again Doctor, and right now today I'm going to be giving you the best Forex trading strategy for 2025. Easy and very profitable, believe me guys. So today we'll be discussing the topic. This is actually a strategy which I'll be giving you guys. It's the best Forex trading strategy for 2025. So hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you'll be struggling to find simple but powerful trading strategy, you are in the right place. Believe me, today I'll be going to show you the best trading strategy for 2025. It's beginners friendly, work with all currency pairs, and follow price actions. This is a strategy that you don't need any indicator. And today, I want you to make sure watch until the end, because I'll be showing you a real chart example so you can start using this strategy immediately. So let's go into this strategy. So the strategy breakdown. This strategy is based on market structure key level, and you can literally trade this on any instrument of your choice. It's just a market structure trading. I will teach you everything you need to know right now today, and you're going to be making money with it. Believe me. So identifying key levels, we start from the weekly time frame and then go down to the 4-hour time frame. We go there to look for basic market structure, and we determine the trend. We drop down to the 4H time frame to check the market structure. Are we making higher highs, higher low? Are we in an uptrend or we're in a downtrend? Are we making lower lows or lower high? And then step 3, we go into the entry trigger. How do we enter the trade? What do we need to see? Once price retraces to our weekly level, we wait for price confirmation. Even if it's any candle, any strong rejection candle, we are not waiting for any fancy candlestick pattern. If price tap our level and reject, we enter. Sharp guys. So I'll be teaching you how to set the stop loss and take profit. Set your stop loss and everything you really need to know. And I'll be giving you the live chart example, guys. So guys, let's start everything with this simple strategy. So this strategy works pretty well on any currency pairs. Believe me guys, work literally on any currency. So can we use this AUDJPY? I don't know. Let's start. So this strategy is very simple. You trade it based off weekly candles. Remember guys. So we don't really need to look back. We don't really need to look what happened back in time right from here. We don't really need to look everything that happened here. We are not concerned, guys. Believe me. All we need to focus on is just these candles. These candles that form right from this spot till this point. These are the things we really need to focus on, guys. So believe me. So right now, what do we see? How does the last week candle close? We can see we close as what? As a bearish. We closed bearish. This is actually my bearish candle. I had it on the color black. I'm sorry if that's is something you don't like. Please bear with me. So last week was what? Bearish. So what do we need to anticipate for the coming week? What do we need to anticipate? So we need to anticipate a sell. And how do we know when to pick the sell? We just go straight down. So in order not to confuse us, I'll be using this current candle because this market will be closing very soon. Today is Friday. So I'll be using these candlesticks. This one that looks like I would say a doji. A doji, not the best picture, but don't mind if I'm wrong. So we'll be using this weekly candle that which will be closing in the next 34 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So then we do what? We drop straight down to the daily time frame. We don't really need to see about this strategy is you don't really need to mark any levels. You don't need to mark any level coming from the last month candle. You know what I'm saying? So all you need to do now is scroll down to the 4H time frame. On the 4H time frame, what do we see here? This is where we get down to business. We mark our Q level. So as far as I can see, this is where, let's say this market's going to end here. We have a level here. And then if we are going to be on a bearish trend for the coming week, then we need to see what? we need to see the market. Sorry guys. We need to see the market creating some sort of lower low. We've seen lower low. We need to see a lower low and then wait for a lower high, a retracement, and then we pick the trade. I hope you understand me, guys. I hope you really understand. You don't really need to mark any levels. You don't really need to mark any level. Just know the basic market structure. And if you know the market structure, you are ahead of 90% of traders. Believe me, guys, you are ahead of 90% of traders. So, and if we are going to be bullish, this is basic market structure. You need to understand the market structure. This is the next level for it. You know, we had this level here. What do we need to see? If you are going to be bullish for the coming week, I want to see this happen. If I could see a break above here, I won't be taking a trade in here. Mind you, I won't be taking a trade in here. I want to see this breakout, pull back here, and then I'll be picking a trade on a buy for the coming week. This is a very simple and easy strategy. And mind you, there are some inner ups and down, inner trends. As we can see the last structural low, which was this level, but this level are not as strong. This level are not as strong as the major level, which are this one up here and this one down. This one I won't be really taking much position, but the best option, another way to be more conservative and be patient, we need to see the market either it break to the downside, pull back and then drop, or it break to the upside, pull back and drop. So that's it. So let's check other pair. Let me think of a pair. I know you're thinking about GU. Yeah, GU. Yeah, GU. This is just a simple strategy. GBP USD. So GPUSD, let me look for a clean chart. I think this, because I already analyzed some. So on GU, I think GU is ranging. I'm sorry guys, GU is ranging. But let's try and analyze this. So on GU, what do we see? Where is the market pointing to? The market last week candle closed bearish, but the market based off, we don't care about what happened, that the market is on, literally the market is on a downtrend, but with the market structure we will know either to pick a sell or a buy. So the market is coming to the downside, we are in a downtrend, but last week candle shows us a bearish pattern, a bearish candle rather, and then what do we need to do? Okay, I'll be using this one that is formed right now. This one that we see the market is coming to the downside. So what do we do going into next week? We scroll down to the 4H, straight to the 4H. You don't really need to do any other thing. Straight to 4H, and then we look for market structure. What do I say? Market structure. So these are the market structures. You really need to shine your eyes, guys. You need to shine your eye. This is a point, and then we had another point here. So that was why I said GU is ranging. So what do we need to see here? If next week is going to be bullish, what do I want to see? I want to see a shift in structure, a shift in market structure. I want to see the market breaking this upside, pull back here, and then rally to the upside. If we are going to be bullish for next week, and if we are going to be bearish for next week, what do I want to see? I want to see a break below here, pull back here, and then we drop to the downside. I hope you understand me, guys. I hope you understand. And if you have any questions, please do well to drop it in the description box. And then let's check other pair. Let's check NZD card, because I have an open position on there. I will share you my trade that I'm literally running right now. I think I have a trade on NZD card. I had a sell trade. Which I entered, I think it was yesterday. So guys, so this is just market structure shift. I saw a break here. What do I need to see? I need to see a retracement there. I know the market is actually changing its structure. So I picked a sell right here based off this candle, and then what do we see? We are dropping. So if you're literally watching this going into next week, what I'll be anticipating is this. It's likely we see a retracement down here, and I'll be picking a trade, or we see the one here. But the best option is the one below here. This is the best point to pick a sell. If you are going to be buying, this is the best option to pick a buy. So these are the trades that are literally running in my favor. So I think I had one on gold too. Gold, I've been holding gold. I think I entered gold since on Monday, if I'm not mistaken, and I've been holding this trade. So yeah, I entered it on Monday. So imagine being on a trade. I entered based off this candle, and then we are pushing to the downside. You can see this is just basic market structure, guys. This is one of the simplest strategy I have had, and I'm literally making money. So on gold, what should we expect going into next week? I need to see a break below or a break above for the bullish continuation. So that's that on gold. My trade is literally running. You see, it's literally running. This is almost 1 to let's say 1 to 3. Yeah, because the market is actually on the pullback phase. So and then I had a trade on Euro GBP. I think I had a position on Euro GBP. Yeah. Euro GBP. Guys, it can't be simpler than this. It can't be simpler. Going into 4 each time frame. Just know the direction of the 1 hour. Just basic market structure, guys. And this trade, I'm swinging it till next day because I'm still very much bearish on this trade, because the market structure is telling me that we are coming to the downside. And once I know the market structure, I'm ahead of 90% of traders, guys. So let me show you the last one. I think I had a trade on was it on Euro JPY? Yeah, Euro JPY, yes. And I just had another position on Euro JPY, yes. So these are trade that I'm literally holding. You can see this was to be my first entry, but it closed on Friday, and I was like, okay, I want to see this market. Like when market is opening on Monday, I picked a trade, and then I didn't see that, and I saw a retracement, a break here, and I was like, okay, it's like this it, and then I entered right on this spot, and then this is just basic and simple market structure. Believe me, you'll be literally making money week in, week out. And then I had my second entry. We had this, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low right there, and a lower high, a retracement to this level, and then I picked, believe me guys, I picked the trade right there. Stop loss was here. So this one, I'm targeting almost 1 to 5, and the trade is literally running in almost 1 to 2. This is almost 1 to 2. This is almost 1 to 2, guys. That's 1 to 2. And the other one is what? I'm targeting almost 1 to 5. And I'll be swinging this trade until I see a shift in structure. Then I'll back off. So that's just that. And I think that's just the trade I had running. Okay, let's check other pair. Let me give you a pair. Let me analyze another pair. GBP card. I think I'm watching GBP card for some entry. I don't know. Yeah, GBP card. Honestly, I didn't enter this trade. Why? Reason being, the stop loss were way too much for me. These were on 37 pips, guys. And consistency rule on pro frames can be so tricky. I don't want to mess my account up. So this is just it on. This is just basic market structure. What do I need to see again? So let me delete all my drawings. Believe me, guys, you'll be literally making money week in, week out with this my strategy. This is what I've developed. The market structure is the key. It's the key, guys. So we anticipate based off candles. How does last week candle close? Then we follow the market structure of last week, and then we trade in the direction to the coming week. So this week, let's say this week has ended, because this week is coming to an end in 24 minutes time. So let's say this week has ended, and this candle is what? Bearish. We go to the 4H time frame. What do we see on the 4H time frame, guys? This is the market structure. This was coming to the upside, and then we saw a market shift. The market pullback. I was expecting the pullback right there, but I didn't see that. Market can be so tricky, guys. Market can be so tricky, and I saw a pullback right there on this level. I was like, I ain't taking no trade there. And then this is a level of interest for me. I was like, okay, if I could see a break and a retracement. And what happened, guys? I saw the break, a retracement. Imagine me picking a trade right there. I'll be making money, but I don't want to spoil my consistency road. So, guys, I don't want this video to be longer than this. And if you find this helpful, I would love you to just smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And believe me, you're gonna make money with this strategy. And this is literally how I'm trading. I ain't gonna lie to you, fam. You understand? So, bye for now, and be expecting more educational content from me, Doctor. You know, I go by the name Doctor. So, guys, see you again. And I want you to try this strategy out. Believe me, I guarantee you. And if you don't make money with this strategy, any amount you lost with this strategy, any amount you lost, I'm gonna refund you. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to refund you. But believe me, there are losses. But what do you need to do? Risk management is key. Risk what? Risk management is key. Always risk 0.5% of your account or 1% of your account. Believe me, you're going to be making money. Literally making money, guys. This is gold. I'm sharing gold, and I want you to try this already out. And thank you, and God bless you.